Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can take a screenshot on your Windows. So in your Android phone or in your mobile phone, it's just very easy on how you can take a screenshot. But in your Windows, that could be very confusing as to how. Well, I will show you 3 different ways on how you can take a screenshot on your Windows. So first is in your keyboard, look at your keyboard, look for the Windows key, that is the key with 4 small squares built into one square, and then the print screen key, which is in the initials PRTSC. That is at the top, one of the function keys that is in a line with the function keys at the top. The PRT is SC. So what you're going to do is you need to press the Windows key and print screen together. Now, after you have pressed the Windows key and print screen together, let's open the File Explorer. If we have just took a screenshot of our desktop background, so click on Pictures, click on Screenshots. So, that's it. We have just took a screenshot of our desktop background. Then, if whenever we are trying to search for an info on the internet or on a browser, it's very important that we know how to take a screenshot, because if we want to take a screenshot of that important info for future use, then we can go ahead and do that. So let's say, for example, I'm going to search this. I'll click on one website. Then I want to take a screenshot of this important info. So just press the Windows key and print screen together. Now let's confirm if we have just took a screenshot of this part. And yes, we have done it. So that's the first method, that is through your keyboard, which is the Windows key and the print screen together. Now for the second method is through a tool on your Windows, which is the Snipping Tool. So in the Windows search bar, type Snipping Tool. Then click on that. Now this will appear. So you also have different snipping modes right here, like rectangle, window, full screen, and the freeform. So it's up to you as to what form of screenshot would you like to take. So if you want to choose rectangle, click on the plus sign symbol. Then just simply move this cursor on your desktop background as to which part you want to take a screenshot. And this window will appear. So let's just adjust or minimize this and then put it here. Now you have options right here to highlight, to erase some parts, to add some shapes, and you also have this option to edit it in Paint application if you want to, or if you want to directly save it, click on this symbol, Save As. Then simply choose the path, like screenshot right here. You can also take or change the file name into something that you can easily remember, like screenshot 1, and then click on save. Now that was saved into the screenshot folder. Also, if you want to take a screenshot again of an important info that you can find or search in the browser, just open Snipping Tool, click on it. Choose your snipping mode. So I'll just go with the rectangle again and click on the plus sign symbol, and then just move the cursor to the part where you want to take a screenshot with. Now let's minimize this, drag it here, and simply click on the Save As button and then click on Save. So that's the second method, through a tool on your Windows. Now for the third method is we can download a third-party application or third-party software, third-party screenshot tool through the Microsoft Store. So in the Windows search bar, type Store, open it, then type here Lightshot. So once you search Lightshot and hit enter, There are a lot of screenshot tools that will appear right here, like Screenshot HD, Snip Paste, Snip Tool, ShareX, Screenshot, Real Screenshot for web page. So there are a lot of third-party screenshot tools to choose from here. So if you want to download any of this, then you just have to click on it and then just select this Get button, and that will be installed into your Windows. So you have three options on how you can take a screenshot on your Windows. It's on your Windows keyboard, the Windows key and the print screen together, the snipping tool, and the third-party screenshot tool that you can install from the Microsoft Store. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.